the elite and where to find them. Hi, my name is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. I will help you transform your life, upgrade it, and enter your best era ever this year. Subscribe for my channel, turn on notification bell, and follow me on all my social media handles. So a lot of people tell you about upgrading your life, networking with more high value people, people with more money, date people who are coming out of wealth, but nobody tells you where can you find these people and where to meet them. I don't want to sound gimmicky, but you can meet people with wealth everywhere. However, the key here is not to meet them everywhere and anywhere. The key is to be able to socialize with people of wealth. How to socialize like this with them? You have to meet them in places where they are going with the open mentality of meeting new people, or with the open mentality of conversation, or where you can find something in common to share it with. You could be meeting them to engage your children with children of people that come from this mindset. You could be meeting them for your business to have new target audience. You could be meeting them because you're looking for someone to date that comes from the same background as you. So the reasons are yours. For me personally, I moved to a new city. I'm trying to start again my network here where I live and to expand it, to find like-minded people like me, because when you are successful, you want to surround yourself by successful people as well. And also you want to stay inspired. You always want to stay motivated to look your best, feel your best, do your best in your life and in your career. And that is where I'm coming from and why I want to meet them. So let's get started. First and foremost, the sports and hobbies of the elite is a very good place to start. Of course, don't force yourself to go to something that you don't enjoy or fancy. Hobbies are there for our free time. But if you fancy any of these, it might be good to invest in it to also meet new people that are like you. Most of the elite have hobbies, and some of these hobbies are hereditary. Hobbies like horseback riding, polo, tennis, fencing, sailing, ballet dancing, golf. Most of these, if you notice, would have clubs in certain areas. And if you join the club of the area, you will be able to meet people who do these activities, enjoy it, or they have their kids join these activities. And that's a great place to find people from that background. Another thing is if you attend poetry events or orchestras, charity events, gala dinners, of course, very popular events carried out by royals, like the royal escort, of course, for the race. Horse races are also a place to meet the elite. Also, religious institutes like the church or the mosque or the synagogue or the temple in a wealthy area. Usually people from that area, old monies and the older generation of that family would be going. So that also might be a good place to start. Usually also you meet them in PhD and master degrees. Most of the time people who actually follow higher education come from old money. I've never met someone old money who didn't study high education. That just didn't happen for me yet. I know dropouts are a thing now, maybe for people who are trying to build wealth now, to focus on crypto or to focus on stocks or whatever. But families of the elite, families of old money value academia so much. So you might meet those people in the master's degree in certain reputable universities. And also if you take courses in these universities, not necessarily degrees, you will definitely meet them. Business summits, most of the time you will also meet businessmen and entrepreneurs in those areas. And some of the entrepreneurs are the younger generation of old family members. So wine tasting events, of course, as well. But beware, if something is from the get-go have a lot of masses, that's where people of wealth shy to be, because masses are opportunities for people who take advantage to be. And that's not who you are, I hope. Things that are more that need very high taste in life, usually you will meet the elite in them. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you want to see from me next? and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.